What if I told you this voice you are hearing right now is not my real voice? It was me, but not me. How did I do it? Hello everyone, I'm just Emina. Episode baru doesn't sound like this in real life. That's right, this voice is powered by a voice changer. It's called Deiteris W-Okada. In this video, I will show you how I use it. From downloading and installing to set it up for streaming. Okay then, let's get started. This is just some extra. Since no up-to-date tutorial video about voice changer for, let's say, August 2025. So here is it the tutorial. Before we start, you need some hardware for run the voice changer. Spoiler alert, it's not locked in PC. You will need at least NVIDIA RTX 2060, AMD Radeon RX 5000 series, or Intel A500. CPU is around Intel 10000 series and AMD Ryzen around 1000 series. Windows 11. Lastly, you need microphone. A dedicated microphone or just from your headset is okay. In preparation of using voice changer, there are some sort of things you need. Virtual audio cable. This is for directing your voice to other software. The character voice model. Voice changer itself. First, just create one folder so we can put all of the files here. Yeah, this is for our file later. Download PAC Music like here. Just install it. After install, you just need to restart your PC. If you want to use voice changer of certain character, of course you need their voice. But where you can get them? You can get them here in wake.com. Just scroll or search. If you want to download, click it. If you want to download it, click the character icon. After that, look for three dots, click it, select download. After finish download, you just need to extract it. NVIDIA and AMD plus Intel use different version of voice changer. I will tell you all of it, but please select only part you will use based on your graphic card. Download this for NVIDIA. After download, just extract it. Download this for AMD plus Intel. After download, just extract it. Next, download this file I prepare for you. After download, extract it. Now move it to here, inside your voice changer folder. It should be look like this. Do the same for NVIDIA or AMD. For NVIDIA RTX 5000 series, it was a special case. You need another version, this one. Just download this one, or I will say these three files. After download, just extract this one file. NVIDIA, AMD, and Intel, you need to download the file I prepare for you. But for RTX 5000 series, you don't need to download the special file I prepare for you. Now, run mmppcco.exe and wait. Do not close the CMD. If you close it, the software will stop working. If you see this in your browser, congratulations, all the installation you need is already complete. First of all, we need to insert the character voice. Select edit, select upload. In model, select file, double click model.pth, the character we already download. In index, select file, double click model.index, the character we already download. Both of them will be read like this. Then click upload. Now we setting the voice. Pitch 1. Man to man is 0. 2. Girl to girl is 0. 3. Man to girls is plus 12. 4. Girl to man is minus 12. Index just 0 to 0.5 or whatever but just 0. Index is adjust the accent. The higher is it, The more it mimics the character speaking style, but it using lot of CPU, client and server. Client is using audio type MMA, but it means slower and more delay for your voice. But in client you can use Okada noise cancellation like echo, suppression 1, suppression 2. Server is using all type of audio, but cannot use Okada noise cancellation. But in server you also able to use ASIO version of audio, so it's far more faster. Input is your traditional microphone or just your microphone. Output is your virtual line input. Monitor is whatever you want to hear your voice. Easily it's speaker or just your headset. Well, that's it for the audio. The setting is done. Well, we already setting the input and output audio. Next, we need to set up it based on your graphic card. Set up the latency and the delay of the conversion. F0 that. For this one, just use LMPPA. If you are using AMD or Intel, just use LMPPA or NNX. Select your graphic card. My graphic card is RTX 3080. Next is Chung, the one that decides your best delay of your voice conversion. Lower Chung mean less delay but higher graphic card load. Large Chung mean more delay but safer and more stable. What is delay? It means time for the other to hear your voice. For example, you speak now, but the other person will hear you 1 second later. Now we need to decide what number is the Chung we will use. You can see this setting from community for your graphic card. But from me, you need to do this. First, just make it to the right, and then press start. See that green number? Please remember that number. Click stop. Now drop your Chung number to close to that number. Then start again. Is it going down? See that green number? Please remember that number. Click stop. Now drop your Chung number to that number again. Close to that number. Then start again. Now if it's stable in that number, like before, up, down, and stable around that, then it was your number. With that green number, now you need to test how it sounds. Choppy or smooth. Just start it on that green number you remember it. And then try to speak. Listen to your monitor or output, something like your speaker or your headset.
Test this. Test 1, 2, 3. Hello everyone. Test this. Test 1, 2, 3.
Test this. Test 1, 2, 3. Hello everyone. Rinka Emina here. Test this. Test 1, 2, 3. 1. If it's smooth, then there you go, man. It's already done. Technically, it's already done there, but 2. If it's choppy. Test this. Test 1, 2, 3. Test this. Then stop it. Increase the Chung number more. At 100 or 200. Just as long the number is green. Then restart again. Do speak test again. Repeat until it's not sound choppy or error. If it's not choppy, now it's all set. Or you already finished the all set up for using the voicechanger. And this is the last part of the tutorial. How to make the voicechanger enter video game or Discord or OBS. This is the way. In video game, open setting, look for input or microphone. In Apex Legends is here. Just change your microphone to virtual line input, like this one. By the way, I will make note here for you because you are special. When you play video game and run voicechanger at the same time, your PC will run at its max capabilities. Your voicechanger will affected by this. The green number previously will become B, or the worst case is red. My recommendation is two things. 1. Reduce the gain setting to low and limit frame rate to 60 fps. 2. Setting the Chung and extra again to better number. Well, if it's green, it's okay. but yeah, as long it's not choppy. Next is for Discord. Go to user setting, select voice and video. Input device is your virtual cable output. Output is your speaker, headset, or the sederhana gaming. Next, disable all noise cancellation in Discord. Next, you can hear yourself by testing with let's check. You will hear your own post there. If it's not choppy, then it's fine. If it's choppy, usually I restart Discord, it will fix it. In OBS, just add source, select audio output tab 2, select device is virtual audio input. That's it for OBS. It will act as your microphone. Well done, congratulations, everything is finished and complete. Do whatever you want with it, but please don't scam people or catfishing people, because it's already bad thing to do. By the way, sorry for my English, it's really bad because I'm not English speaker. More like I am Indonesian, so yeah, that's why my English is not really good. Also, I hope this simple tutorial able to show all of you how to install voicechanger and setting it up. So yeah, that's it for this tutorial. See you again next time.